Today we are learning Flutter tutorials for beginners, Flutter advantages and disadvantages. So the advantages of Flutter. So the first advantages is single code base for multiple platforms. With Flutter, you can develop app for Android, iOS, web and desktop using a single code base, which saves your times and efforts. Okay. And the second advantage is hot reload features. So the hot reload features is enable developers to instantly see the changes made in the code without restarting the application. We are using hot reload, so this speeds up development and testing significantly. Okay, and the customizable and beautiful UIs. So Flutter provides a rich set of customizable widgets, making it easy to create visually appealing and highly flexible UI designs. High performance. So the Flutter app are compiled directly to native ARM code, which ensures smooth performance similar to native apps. Its strong community support. So as a Flutter is backed by Google and supported by a large and active community, it benefit from continuous update libraries and extensive documentation. Open source and free. So the Flutter is completely free to use and being open source. It allows developers to contribute to its improvement and customize it to suit their needs. Some of the disadvantages of Flutter. So its large app size. So Flutter apps tends to have larger file size compared to native apps. This might be an issue for a user with limited storage. Limited native features and libraries. All through Flutter has many plugins, some native functionalities might still require custom code or platform specific workaround, especially for highly complex apps. Okay, and the lack of mature third party library. So while a Flutter ecosystem is growing, it is still relatively new compared to native development frameworks, meaning some third party libraries might not be as mature or fully developed. Limited support for iOS specific features. So the Flutter was initially built for Android, and while it supports iOS development, some iOS specific features or widgets might not have the same performance or quality as on Android. So the complex animation can be challenging. So in the Flutter, while Flutter supports animation, creating highly complex animation or graphics heavy apps can be challenging and might not perform as well as expected without optimizations. Thank you.